Just one question. You'll have to excuse my ignorance because I really know very little about Islam. That's why I'm here. Okay. So it's a very simple question. Do you believe that you can reach perfection in this world? That individuals can reach perfection?
Well, first of all, I would like to thank you for being the first drop of the rain. I hope that following your example, other people will also be ready to ask questions later on. You have asked a question that is it possible for anybody to reach perfection? I would say yes, why not? But perfection would be relative to that person and relative to the situation. Because when we are talking of perfection in relation to human beings, then human beings, all of them, they are not perfect as such. Every human being, as everyone knows, has got some shortcomings, some weaknesses, and some drawbacks. So in that case, everybody can attain to the highest point which is possible for that person. So in that case, we can say that perhaps the level of perfection will be different. And everybody is fully entitled. And God Almighty has created the people in this way that their level of abilities is different. So resultant with that one, the level of their perfection would also be different. So one is definitely eligible to go to the highest point of perfection as far as his capabilities and faculties are concerned. So the levels are different. As there is an examination in various fields, various people go up to their highest point. So if they are honest and if they put in their best, then they can possibly reach to the highest point of the perfection which is destined for them and which is is possible for them. But their achievement will be different. In case of human beings, I may add, and that's very essential point to be added, that one thing is that we can just look around and think about our own selves, how far we can go. The answer I have already given, that we can go as far as our abilities are there. We can develop and extend and expand and train our abilities as well. By exercise, for example, people can develop their physical abilities. Similarly, mental and spiritual abilities can also be further trained and enhanced. One very important point for that is that if a person gets in touch with that being who is the source of all the knowledge and strength and ability, and by that I mean our Creator and Maker, Allah the Almighty, if a person prays to that God, then it becomes not only easier for a person to become to reach to the point of perfection which is destined for him or her, rather the standard of that perfection can also be elevated with the divine help. There are some basic abilities given to all the people, but when they are coupled with the divine help and assistance, then their abilities they increase and the level of their perfection can also increase accordingly. And I can give you one example which is mentioned in the Holy Quran. That is the example of the Holy Prophet of Islam, Prophet Muhammad. He has been described in the verses of the Quran as a role model for the whole of mankind. He has been quoted as Uswa Hasana, the best exemplar. And history has proved it, that he was really a man who lived 1400 years ago. But so far as the spiritual advancement and other matters of perfection are concerned, he was always at the highest point. So much so that he created such an impact in the whole world that even the benefits of his impact and his noble example can be witnessed even today. So in this way I can say that human beings, it is possible for them to attain to perfection, but with this explanation that standard of perfection could be different and it can be further enhanced and enlarged with the help of prayer to the one who is the fountainhead of all the assistance and blessing.